I think investing is a great thing. I think investing in non-traditional ways is a great thing. I think it's great to test the waters, and as long as you fully fund your main investments like your Roth IRA, your 401k, then it's totally okay to have a little play money, put a little bit here, put a little bit there, even do something like invest in crypto, knowing full well that these investments might not pay off. In fact, you might even lose them completely. Never invest in anything that you're not willing to lose. Now that being said, a while back, I tried something called Fundrise.com, and I tested it just a little bit. I put $10 in, and then a little while later, I put another $100 in, and I just let it sit there. I wanted to see, would this work? Would it be something that I would want to put even more in eventually? So it's been sitting there for over a year now. So let's check on it and see how it's doing. Here's my account with Fundrise.com, and you can see there I put in $110, and right now its value is $102.50. So it's actually lost money over time. Now, I don't know if that's because I have so little invested in it. A better investment strategy is usually to put in a little bit each month over time. But honestly, if I can't see a return on investment from $100, why would I possibly give it $1,000? That just doesn't make sense to me. Now, I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to let it ride. I'm hoping to see that over time it does start to grow. Fundrise.com was my attempt at getting into real estate, investing into real estate. And I know real estate's a great thing. Fundrise.com is a done for you kind of investment. I don't have to be a landlord. I don't have to pick out properties. I just put money into properties and someone else does the rest of that for me. And that sounded appealing to me. But it looks like traditional real estate investing might be a lot more profitable. Like I said, I'm not going to take it out, but I'm definitely not going to be putting more in. I'm curious though, if you've invested in Fundrise.com and have had a different experience, let me know. I'd love to hear success stories in which people make a ton of money using Fundrise.com, but I'm just not seeing it for me just yet. I actually recommended Fundrise.com in a video a long time ago. I just don't recommend it right now because it doesn't seem like it's very profitable. It's just not working for me right now. So what is working for me? In addition to things like Roth IRA, 401k, definitely max out what you can for each of those first. Those are definitely more profitable, more reliable. After that, for play money, I like doing crypto. I have about 3,000 in that. I really like doing Prosper.com. I'm approaching $10,000 in that. I do pick a few individual stocks here and there, not a lot. I think I have some in Nvidia, Intel, Tesla, and 2 out of 3 of those are doing pretty well. But those are all things that I like based on my interests, based on my risk tolerance level. The point isn't do what I'm doing. The point is find something that you enjoy doing, things that you're passionate about, things that you're interested in learning more about. And after you fully funded the things that are more secure, more reliable, if you have extra that you want to invest, that you don't mind losing, it's totally okay to play around a little bit and then just see what happens. I don't at all regret investing in Fundrise.com. I wanted to see if I wanted to invest more into it. And who knows, eventually it might prove that it is something that I would invest more in. But I gotta be smart about it. Right now, it doesn't seem like something that's very smart. But once again, let me know if you have a different experience with that. Let me know the kinds of things that you are enjoying investing in, and we can all figure this out together. Hey, after all, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.